Monday mornings test every parent. The rush, the clock, the chaos, and yes, the anger. But remember, the first 5 seconds you react decide whether your child feels safe in your parenting umbrella or scarred. A child who is 5 minutes late but loved is always stronger than a child who is 5 minutes early but broken. Your child doesn't want to wake up. They roll over, pull the blanket, and resist. You're already late, and your voice rises. In that one moment, the morning turns into a battlefield, and your child carries all your tension to school. Breakfast is on the table. Your child is still staring at their unfinished homework, and the school bus is already honking outside. Your husband is stuck on his phone in back-to-back meetings. You're running late for office yourself, and just then, you get the call that your helper is on leave. Instead of calm, the house is filled with pressure, and your child doesn't just carry books in their bag that day. They carry your frustration too. But here's the truth. Our daily chores are not our children's burden. Our office deadlines, our helper not showing up, our partner stuck on calls, these are not their mistakes. Yet too often, we make our children pay the price for our stress. And that's where we must pause. Patience is not silence. Patience is choosing to breathe instead of breaking. Patience is saying, "It's okay, we'll manage," instead of shouting. Patience is reminding yourself, "My child's peace matters more than my perfect schedule." Tell yourself, "A delayed bus will not ruin my child's life, but my harsh words can." Tell yourself, "Spilled milk on the table is not a crisis, but my child's trust in me is priceless." These are the tiny choices that decide the strength of their heart and the gentleness of their mind. If you want to learn about grace, take notes from a toddler. They witness our impatience, our frustration, our moodiness, and yet they forgive us, no questions asked. They see us at our absolute worst, and yet we are still their favorite humans in the world. Remember this quote: "Don't let your children grow up thinking they were a burden to your day. Instead, let them grow up knowing they were always the priority, no matter how busy you were." And if the morning has already gone wrong, don't let the guilt grow. When your child comes back home, repair the bond. Hold them close. Say, "I'm sorry for the morning. I was stressed, but I love you." Then sit together, talk, maybe share a snack, or play for 5 minutes. Because connection heals where frustration has hurt. And here's the proactive part. Don't just wait for the damage to happen. Create small morning rituals that protect your child's heart. A 2-minute cuddle before rushing. A calm word at the breakfast table. A note in their lunchbox saying, "I love you, have a great day." A promise to play together after school. These little seeds of love protect them from the storms of your stress. They tell your child, "Even when mornings are messy, your place in my heart is steady." Always remember this. The way we talk to our children becomes their inner voice. Every morning either builds them or breaks them. So as parents, let us protect their mornings. Let us protect their minds. Because Monday mornings don't just decide whether your child reaches school on time. They decide whether they carry confidence or scars for the rest of their life.